Start.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss the parts of flower, parts of a typical flower. Okay, and the representative flowers which we have together, which we have been uh, provided by our attendant. This is Rosa indica. Rosa indica. Its family is Rosaceae. Okay, and the part of the flower by which the flower is attached with the floral axis is known as what? Pedicel. Okay, and this is tablet structure. This one. Okay, this one. And the next swollen part, this one, it is known as thalamus. What? Thalamus. Okay, the basal broad part of the flower is known as what? Thalamus. Thalamus. Okay. And the word of flower, this is, you see, this is the word of flower. Word of flower, this one, which is formed of petals. This is petal. Okay, this one. The whorl of flower, which is formed of many petals. The whorl of flower, which is formed of many petals. Sorry, sepals. Many sepals. That is known as what? Calyx. Okay. This single is this one. This single is what? Sepal. Okay. The next to the calyx is corolla. Corolla. Okay, the word of flower, which is formed of many petals, that is known as what? This is petal, this is petal, petal. Okay, that is what? That is known as corolla. Corolla. Okay, and next is what? The androecium. Androecium. You see, the calyx and corolla. Calyx and corolla. These are the non-essential parts of non-essential whorls of flower. And the next is what? You see, this is what? This is a stamen. This is what? A stamen. This one is stamen. And stamen consists of two parts. Those are what? The anther and filament. Anther and filament. Clear? And here are what all the stamens they form. All the stamens they form what? The androecium. Androecium is the whorl of flower, which is formed of many stamens. One stamen consists of two parts. Those are what? The anther and filament. Clear? And the whorl of flower, the female whorl of flower, or the whorl of flower, which is formed of one or many. So here is, you see, the many carpels are there. This is androecium. This one is what? Androecium. Okay. Many carpels are one carpel. It varies from family to family and flower to flower. Okay. If there is one carpel, we say the flower is monocarpal. Gynaecium is monocarpellary. If there are many carpels, we say, if there are two carpels, we say bicarpellary. Bicarpellary gynaecium. If there are many carpels, we say multicarpellary gynaecium. Okay, this is male part, this is female part, this is non-essential part, this is non-essential part. Okay, and this is how you can learn by heart. You can make comprehension of the structure of a flower and parts of flower. Okay, thank you very much.